Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can use free boost option on SEOClerk. So first of all, let me log in into my freelancing profile and let me complete this captcha to log in into my SEOClerk account. So after that, let me show you services. Here I can go manage services and you can see total number of views. Let me scroll down. Here I have two services. So if you want to use boost option, just you can go here, seller, and then promotion, then click on boost services. And here you can see I have 61 free boosts. So let me just click here, and here you can see it's done. So now it will promote your services to the more buyers, and here you can see it's free of cost.